in on Spórtlann for another big tridge night. The guys and girls have only 2 weeks to go, and they're sharpening up. You can feel a bit of anxiety, a few nerves here as well as people square up to possibly their opponents in a couple of weeks. I'm excited about coming back down here with a bigger, better show in store for everyone as well, with more lights, more sound, more music, and it proves to be one hell of a night here in aid of such a good cause on Spórtlann.
I'm sure there's a huge progression in where you've been to where you are now. You know, you're all moving pretty proficiently around the floor. The punches look nice and smooth as well. There's good head movement. I'm sure it wasn't exactly that a couple of weeks ago. It was probably a lot cruder. So you know, you have to measure yourself on what you've done over the last couple of weeks as well. So you know, but do enjoy it. You know, go over the top with the entrance. You know, wear the sombrero, you know, come into the big song, you know, and that's what people want to see. They want to see a show, and you guys are the stars of that show. So, you know, be the exhibitionist and fight a good fight for a good cause. Thanks very much.